Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, Привет. My name is, we're gonna start the show with a dancing bird. I never saw bird dancing before, it's my first time. Alright, coming up, that's the African way, Casco. Dancing.
Wow, I love it. Okay, guys, kids, what can you say about his dancing? Is he dance good?
You like the dancing? The girl, you like the dancing? Okay, let's go one more time then, DJ. Roll it.
Okay, let's do it.
You know, friends, the African grey parrot are so amazing. They are so clever. Listen to this. Coco, what is the first thing we say for respect?
Coco, say hello in Arabic.
Walaikum assalam to each one of you. Coco, we got kids. What we ask the kids?
Coco, ask everybody, how are you?
How are you? We are good. Now, we all have friends, right? He's got some friends too. Who's your best friend?
Okay.
That's his best friend. But wait, there is one friend who runs to catch him every day.
What's up?
The doggy, mashallah. Coco, when somebody comes to your home, how does the home doorbell rings? What's your name, princess? What's her name? Latifa. Let's wish Princess Latifa happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Mashallah, everybody give it up all the way. Happy birthday, Latifa. Let's do rock rap DJ.
From LA Lakers, come on, DJ. People, sit in. It's about the puzzle. Yellow.
Mango.
And how about the green?
Avocado. Green
Alright.
mango.
Do you believe in love?
Oh yes, but I'm single.
That is the colors of love. The red color, and how about blue?
The blueberries.
The most expensive fruits ever. Let's go with the ring.
Okay, one,
Wahed.
two,
Itin.
three.
Talata.
Zafulo. Now he's not going to be playing and all different things. He's going to teach us some good manner. If children, you will do this, mommy, daddy will be proud of you.
That's right, kids. Watch this, and you can learn. Once you see some rubbish, you have to pick it up and put it in the trash bin, and your parents will be proud of you. All right?
Don't forget, after cleaning, what do we do?
You have to show it to the kids your good manners that you have to close the bin always. Parents in the world.
Well, then how old is he? 12. Push it up. They love to play all the time. We call him Superman. Come on, Superman. Okay. Now why I call him Superman, he's going to show you. Everybody make your hands like a gun. Make your hand like a gun. Come on. When I say 1, 2, 3, everybody will shoot Superman. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, shoot.
Kaboom.
What is kaboom?
Ah.
He's only acting. Teacher, which gun shoots kaboom?
Bazooka.
Alright, thank you so much. Clap your hands.
Daraja, Hawaii.
Yalla guys, sabi niya tao.
Ang mahapdaw pa ni Maria. Good morning.
Okay, I have a question for everybody. Who owe you everybody? Okay, sister. Come. I want you to stand over here and keep your right hand like this. Okay, put your hand out. We're gonna put some food in your hand. Okay, the bird is gonna fly to your hand, but don't eat the food, huh? Your hand, brother. What's your name? Arun. Okay, let's go. Raise it up. Come on, Priya. Let's fly. Amazing. Arun, little up. Yeah, that's it. Close your hand. Oh, she likes you. But you cannot take her home. If you take her home, you have to take me and DJ also. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. The bird, all three of them cannot see color. But all three of them have mentality like a 5 to 6 year old human child. They are clever. How you know the boy and the girl? By the color of the eye. If the eye is fully black like him, it's a boy. The bird was flying before has a red eyes. That's a girl. They come in 4 colors: white, pink, grey and black. I want everybody to look at the painting and tell me, what do you think the painting looks like to you? A shape of a what? Alright, let's start guessing. For me, it looks like a fireworks. Yeah? What do you think, kids, friends? What do you think the painting looks like? Just look and tell me. Shuchufu. A flower, a bird. Okay, it looks like a bird. That's a good answer.
Bird.
Shrita,
Shrita.
what do you see, darling? Flower, a bird. You see a bird also? Okay.
No, painting ela ఏమేస్తాంటది?
Bird.
How is
Something
that?
else.
Painting look like?
A flower. All right. Baba. Huh? Face of someone.
Face of someone.
Okay.
I love that. Face of someone.
What do you think it looks like, DJ?
It's a fruit.
What?
Yes, this is my favorite fruit.
Which fruit looks like this?
Fruit salad. Yes.
Hey, is this a fruit salad? He said no, because this is fireworks. Fireworks? No. They said it looks like a bird. No. How about flower? Okay.
Baba says look like a face.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's an animal.
Animal.
It's an animal jumping on the tree. Which animal is jumping on the tree? Monkey. I know so many monkeys. Chimpanzee. What? Why are you looking at me? Chimpanzee. No.
Gorilla.
Gorilla.
Yes, something look like gorilla.
Who looks like gorilla?
Hold on. What is your favorite fruits?
I love banana.
You love banana?
Yeah.
Why you love banana?
It's easy to eat.
May I take a look, bro? Something look like gorilla. I think the paintings looks like you.
Like who?
You.
Hey.
Hey, stop looking at me. Huh?
You are telling all of these people I look like a monkey. Teachers together.
Yeah.
Okay, just alright, Cam, thank you. So John Low in the house. Somebody come with her, okay? Big sister can come. Okay, we're gonna wait this side. Come this side. Baba, we're gonna bring this side. I want you to sit down with her and keep your hand like this. Okay. I'm gonna put some food and I'm gonna help you, okay? Don't worry. Let's go. 1, 2, Mariam, I'm gonna
Arun,
sit
Arun,
for the
కొంచెం
little girl,
అడ్డండి.
alright? Don't shake your hand. Okay, let's try. He's a little scared, but let's see if we can do it one more time, please. Okay, just scared of the bandage, but let's try. There we go. Everybody clap your hands. Good job. Beautiful. You did it. Thank you, Trina. Thank you so much. Come on up. You guys gonna do it on your own. Okay.
Wow!
Aim and keep your hand like this. Oh, she's gone there. I'm sorry for it.
How is it?
Right on top.
You're brave. Yeah, you're so brave. She's so
Don't shake,
brave.
don't shake hands. Come on, come on.
I'm so brave.
Lovely boy. There you go. Good